Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I got from this to this, y'all. And I had to do a rebalance. So this really isn't a refill. As you guys can see, like, it's pretty grown out. She had these nails in for over a month and a half. So it was time for me to, you know, get them done. Now, originally, you guys, I would have just soaked these nails off and not even bothered with it, honestly, because it's going to be a lot of work, but I ran out of acetone. So I had to drill it down as much as I could and get the nails rebalanced. So as you guys can see, like the apex is pretty much on closer to the free edge of the nail rather than the cuticle. So when it does get like that, you want to be sure to file it down as much as possible, because then all of that pressure and the whole weight of the nail is going to end up, it can split the nail in half basically and cause damage to the natural nail bed. So what I'm doing is just drilling down the nails as much as I can. And y'all, this process is so strenuous, so make sure you have acetone on hand. Also, I didn't think that she was going to keep these nails for this long. I thought that she would have came for a refill at least, but she ended up just, riding it out, and it lasted a pretty long time. So she wanted to do another color, and that was another problem, you guys. I did not do a layer of clear because, again, I didn't think that she was going to keep these long nails for a very long time. So I'm just going to go ahead and file it down. Now I'm using an extra small bit, and I'm going around that area right there just to get it as low as possible so I can cut off that excess acrylic and then get her, in order for a new set. So y'all, I'm just going in that little sparse area. I'm just getting rid of that just so that the new set can be as seamless as possible and not have any breaking or lifting, because if that happens, it could damage her natural nail bed. So I'm just getting off whatever is lifting up after me drilling it. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I cut that off. Alright, so after I get those little, parts cut off, I'm going to go again with the extra fine bit and just get it as flat as possible. Again, any ridges or anything like that, I'm just going to get rid of that and debulk the nail a little bit more. And now I'm going to go ahead and push back the cuticle so we can work on the natural nail bed. We're just going to go ahead and, sand it, get all the extra cuticle out, any dust particles, any oil, whatever it is that's on the natural nail bed. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that. So I'm just going in with this mini sanding band. I got this from Shein, y'all. I love this sanding band. It just makes life so much easier. You can get into all like the little cracks and crevices, and you don't have to worry about the bulkiness like the old sanding band has. So I would definitely recommend y'all get it. And it was like $4 with the mandrel, so y'all should definitely get it from Shein. I did a haul, so y'all should go watch that video if you haven't done so already. And be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. We made it to 3K, and I'm so happy about that. But we'll talk about that in another video, because I'm gonna do a big giveaway, so y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and brush the nails off just to get any excess dust or powder off, and then I also dehydrate the nails with my Young Nails swipe, but you guys probably aren't gonna see that part. Now I'm gonna go in with my Young Nails bonder or protein bond. It's my favorite. It gives really good retention, and I go ahead and apply it to the hand that I'm doing at the moment, and I do 2 layers. So after I do the 2 layers on this one, I'm going to apply the acrylic and then go to the other hand. Now I'm going in with this green, and this green is by Igel Beauty. So the application is not going to be super duper seamless, and it's not going to give, that nice satisfying effect. If you use Igel, the consistency, so you kind of have to get used to it. Like, I know other nail techs that will not work with it, but I have over 40 igel Beauty powders, and some of the colors are really nice, like this green. So I use it, y'all. I make do with what I have. All of your products don't have to be super duper high end. You just have to learn how to work with it. And as long as it's not marbling, I'm fine. And I also have a igel beauty haul. I have like two of them on my page. They're really older videos, but in those videos, I show you guys which colors marble and which colors are solid. So if you're choosing to invest in igel beauty, if you're a beginner or you just want to get more bang for your buck, I would recommend them. And usually I put some acetone in my monomer, but in this video I just forgot. That's why it's not really a stable bead and it's kind of watery, but it is what it, it is what it is, y'all. We gotta move, honey. We do what we gotta do here. So I'm just, getting that off the cuticle area, cleaning it off as much as I can, and just showing you guys like the realistic application of some acrylic powders. Some are way more solid. Like if I was using young nails or not polished, I wouldn't have the issue with the flooding, but iGel Beauty is definitely a more watery product and more watery consistency. So definitely put a couple of drops of acetone in your monomer liquid and you should be just fine. Now I'm going in with 24K, and this is by Nail House, y'all. I love, love, love this gold. It's so pretty and shiny, and I want to do just an all gold set with it because I love this glitter. It's gorgeous, and I bought this like 2, 3 years ago. I think they have a sale for Black Friday. I think everybody's gonna have like a sale for Cyber Monday. So definitely invest in some of these glitters. I really like her glitters. I have a few of them. And this nail is just gonna be a full gold glitter nail. So I'm just going in with that, y'all. Not a crazy wet bead, but as you guys can see, like there's a lot of coverage with the glitter. It's really, really chunky and full. So y'all should definitely get some of that. So now I'm going in with my Young Nail Speed Clear, and I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate the nail, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I always encapsulate my glitter nails. Sometimes I even encapsulate my solid color applications just in case like my client wants a thicker nail. I add more of the Speed Clear rather than the color just to make sure I can preserve the color as much as I can. So now I'm going in with the Speed Clear again, and I'm applying a nail charm, and I got this nail charm from Shein. Y'all, I did a big Black Friday purchase for Shein because I need a lot more charms. So yeah, y'all gonna see that. Ain't oh my gosh, so much cute stuff. But I'm just applying the acrylic to the nail, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some charms. I also got this butterfly charm from Shein, and isn't she so cute? Like I love, love, love this charm. I love butterflies, period. So at any cost, y'all, I'm gonna add me a butterfly. Like I just gotta do it. So I made sure I got some more of those in my next haul as well. Then I decided to change the nail charm that I added to this gold nail because I felt like it didn't go with like the aesthetic of this set. So I decided to use this little heart instead. And I think that was a way better decision. It just gave better. And I also got that charm from Shein as well. Now I'm going in with some Swarovski crystals, and I'm just, adding a little bit more details to the nail. She wanted something, fall. Thanksgiving vibe. So that's pretty much what we went for. And I honestly really wish it was like a fresh set, but it just didn't end up like that, and that's okay. But next time when she comes back, we're gonna definitely soak her nails off and give her a really fresh set, so it can be really crispy and nice, and you can't see like the yellow underneath the nail. And I'm gonna definitely make sure I put a clear layer on her nails so that if she does want to do a color change, it won't affect it and it won't show under the nail. So now I'm going in, y'all, and just applying just some crystals all over the nail, just making it like the little slanted effect. So I'm just adding on random crystals, random sizes, just to fill the nail in, and then we're gonna cure it and then top coat. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to go ahead and top coat the nails, and then we're going to apply the cuticle oil to her cuticle area. And y'all are going to see the final look. I absolutely love this color. And again, this color is I Believe in You by igel Beauty. I forgot to show the jar. I don't know why, and I do apologize for that. But yeah, it's I Believe like B and then leaf like leaves on a tree in you. So y'all should find it. It's really, really cute, and y'all should get it because it's a very, very nice green. And look at that 24K from Nail House. Like, giving is so pretty. Like, it's such a rich and nice gold. I can't wait to do a set and just add a bunch of charms to it. Now I'm going in with my cuticle oil, and I've been using jojoba oil by from Trader Joe's, and I really like it. I feel like it genuinely moisturizes the skin. It doesn't give like that weird filmy texture like other, you know, cuticle oils can do. But yeah,
Yeah, you should this. It is beautiful.
that's my little cousin, y'all. He is the cutest. His name is Safari, but he said it looks beautiful. And this is the final look. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Love y'all.